Find the center and radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 2y equals 8. To find the center and radius, we want to get this equation in the form of the general form of the equation of a circle. To do that, we want to complete the square on x and y. So we'll group our x terms, x squared plus 8x, and we'll leave a space in anticipation of completing the square. And then we add our y terms, y squared minus 2y, again leaving a space for completing the square, is equal to 8. To complete the square, we want to take half of the coefficient of the linear term and square it. Half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16, and so we'll add 16 to both sides of the equation. Similarly, with y, we take half of negative 2, which is negative 1, and we square it, adding 1 to both sides of the equation. Now we'll factor each of the groups on the left side. We have x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared. And on the right side of the equation, we have 8 plus 16 plus 1, which is 25. Now we're almost in the form of the general form of the equation of a circle. We want x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So we'll rewrite x plus 4 as x minus negative 4, which is squared, and then we have plus y minus 1 squared, which is equal to 25, which we can write as 5 squared. In this form, we can tell that the center of the circle will be the point negative 4, 1, and the radius is 5.